Hi! In front of me is BLACKVIEW Tab 12, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this device. You need to begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Following that, type in DevCheck and get this free app from Flare to Developer, DevCheck device and system info. When your app is ready, open it. Now thanks to it, you can learn all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!